Hey gang, it's your girl Key, and I'm here with my coach Helena. Today it's all about reviewing our progress, reviewing where we're at, what I've achieved for 2019. And this is about looking at key for change. This is about looking at where I've grown, my areas of weakness. And actually, I'm really proud today to say that, yeah, I've grown in terms of my planning and being more organized with that. So I do have a team of people that assist me. But it got me thinking about reviewing our lives, and what have you, just tell me one thing, inbox me one thing you've done well for 2019 and one thing you'd like to improve upon for 2020. What have you done well and what would you like to improve upon for 2020? Inbox your girl Key, or if you're brave enough, leave a comment below. I'm going back in now because now we're going to be looking at what our plans, specific plans are for the future. One of the things your girl Key wants to be able to do. Hey you,
hey.
Mrs. The voice
Hello.
coach. But we've got to do our video. I meant to interview you.
Okay.
Yes.
We shall do it.
Finding our voice. And one thing that I'm going to be focusing on is doing one-to-many. I want to reach more people because, you know, because a lot of us are in pain, a lot of us aren't living our best life, and you can have your best life, you can live your best life. We've got to look at the stuff that holds you back. We've also got to look at the stinking thinking that keeps you in vicious cycles. Remember, take care of you, because if you don't, who will? Who's going to take care of us if we don't take care of ourselves?
Me.
And me?
Yeah.
I'll take care of you until you can take care of yourself.
But take care of yourself first.
Indeed.
Very, very, very important.
Take care.
Sleep.
Bye.